Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to study the table 4.4 metals and non-metals in acids and bases. So here is the name of base, that is calcium hydroxide, then metal calcium, name of the acid sulfuric acid, and non-metal sulfur. Then we have the name of the product formed in the reaction of sulfur and oxygen is sulfur dioxide gas. When sulfur dioxide is dissolved in water, sulfurous acid is formed. The reaction can be given as follows: sulfur dioxide SO2 plus water H2O gives sulfurous acid, that is H2SO3. The sulfurous acid turns blue litmus paper red. Generally, oxides of nonmetals are acidic in nature. Recall the name of some of the laboratory acids and bases you have read in class 7th. Note down their names in table 4.4. Identify the metal or nonmetal present in them which forms oxides with oxygen. Then we have the second one, which is reaction with water. Let us see how metals and non-metals react with water. So, sodium metal is very reactive. It reacts vigorously with oxygen and water. A lot of heat is generated in the reaction. It is therefore stored in kerosene. So, you have to know that all of these points. After this, we have the next activity, that is activity 4.5, to be demonstrated by the teacher. During demonstration, special care should be taken that the size of the sodium metal piece is roughly the size of a wheat grain. It should be held with a pair of tongues. Then from starting, we have to take a 250 ml beaker slash glass tumbler, fill half of it with water. Now carefully cut a small piece of sodium metal, dry it using filter paper and wrap it in a small piece of cotton. Put the sodium piece wrapped in cotton into the beaker. Observe carefully. During observation, keep away from the beaker. So it's a precaution for us. When reaction stops, touch the beaker. What do you feel? Has the beaker become hot? Test the solution with red and blue litmus papers. Is the solution acidic or basic? So here's the given 4.5 showing the reaction of sodium with water. So here's the experiment's image. Firstly, we have to take a 250 milliliter beaker or glass tumbler. So it's our choice that we can take a beaker or glass tumbler, and then we have to fill half of it with water. Now carefully cut a small piece of sodium metal. Then we have to dry it with using a filter paper, and we have to wrap it in a small piece of cotton. Then we have to put the sodium piece which is wrapped in cotton into inside the beaker, and we have to observe carefully, and we have to keep us away from the beaker while observing that. And the reaction stops, touch the beaker. What do you feel? Has the beaker become hot? We have to observe these points, and we have to test the solution with red and blue litmus papers, and we have to test it, and we have to observe it, that is the solution acidic or basic. So that's it for this video, and we have to cover the next topic in the next video.